Why twins' luck factor is different? Why success rate is different in spite of being born on the same date? A lot of people have wondered, including you, or might have thought at some point of time that why twins' luck factor is different, why their lives are different in spite of being born on the same date. Technically, that should be same, right? Their birth chart, everything is same. It should be equal, but still, there are differences. Though there is no major difference, more or less, I have seen the twins have more or less have the same success rate, or let's say, suppose somebody, if one person becomes a doctor, the other person becomes lawyer or engineer, or vice versa. But still, there is a difference. Why? I'm going to discuss that in detail in this channel. Welcome to my channel, Sankhya Tattva. I'm Momita Banerjee, numerologist and life coach. There are few factors like KUA number, name spell, which makes the difference. Whenever this KUA number appears in your birth chart, sometimes it becomes the game changer. Yes, it might be. And so the second factor is the name spell. Definitely, these twins have two different names. Each will be having different names. So that name spell makes a lot of difference. A lot of people say that what is there in names? But I would say don't say like that. Everything is there in the name. The best sound, the best vibration in a person's ear is his or her name. They best resonate with their own name. So everything is there in name. I would discuss all the factors in detail in this video today. Before that, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and hit on the bell icon so that you can be notified on my upcoming videos, and share this video with your friends, family, so that everybody can be notified. So let's discuss this topic and start the topic why twins' luck factor is different. Now let us understand three configurations of twin babies. One, if both the twins are male. Second, if both the twins are female. And lastly, if one female and one male. So let us understand each configuration closely. The first configuration, when both are male, so in that case, the time of birth, driver, conductor, KUA number will be same. Time may be a little bit of here and there, but otherwise, birth chart, driver number, conductor number, and the KUA number will be same. Second case, when both are females, here also in this case, driver, conductor, KUA number will be same. Third configuration, where one is male and one is female, driver and conductor will be same, however, KUA number will be different. Now, what is KUA number? KUA number is a particular number which will be different for a male candidate and for a female candidate. If you don't know how to calculate KUA number, if you don't know what is KUA number, I have made a detailed video on KUA number. I would strongly recommend that you go and watch that. You will understand what KUA number is, how to calculate that, and what role it plays, and how it is a game changer in anybody's birth chart or anybody's life. So here in this case, if KUA number is different, then definitely the success rate or the luck factor will be different in the twin babies, for the twin babies. Now the second major factor which is there is the name spell. As I've mentioned, name definitely will be different for two babies. So here that makes a lot of difference, because your name spell should be aligned with your birth chart. If it's not, then definitely it will not give you the right vibration, right energy in your life, and thus will definitely make a difference in your success rate and luck factor. The third most important factor which makes a difference in the luck factor or the success rate in twin babies is the environment. These two kids will go to the same school, same class, but their friend circle will be different. And trust me, this makes a lot of difference, a huge difference. You must have heard that a man is known by his company he keeps. It's definitely true. Their parents might give the same values, but the energy or the vibration they absorb or the influence they absorb from their friends, that shapes their mindset, their habit, their nature, and that makes a lot of difference. So basically, environment becomes the game changer in be success factor or luck factor, or eventually in that person's life. I hope you have liked my video, have understood why twins' luck factor is different in spite of being born on the same date. If you have liked it, please comment me. If you haven't, then also comment me. Also suggest me if you want me to make such interesting video in coming days. I get motivated actually, and I'll definitely try to address those issues. And keep watching. I will be coming with an interesting topic in my next video. Till then, take very good care of yourself. Namaste.